Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have a finished object video for you and also at the same time release of my new pattern, sock pattern, which I called Trip for Two Socks. If you check pattern, you will see only one sock, this one, but obviously it's a pair, so I knit another one, and I was quite adventurous and just wanted to do a reverse thing. But because I didn't want to mix anything in the pattern per se or make anything complicated, I just show one. But as you can see, you can do quite a reverse thing over here. Now, the pattern comes with 4 sizes. I call them 1, 2, 3, 4, and basically they refer to the foot circumference. We're talking about 8, 9, 10 and 11.5 inches on the screen. The gauge for the pattern is 32 stitches by 40 rounds, but basically 8 stitches per inch. I used US size 1 2.25mm needles to achieve this, and the yarn I used is Drops Fable. I wanted something in grey colours so you could have quite a spectrum of the colours you have in your stash to use. However, here is a sneak peek of my first pair. And as you can see, I have over here one of the charts. How do we knit this sock? This sock is toe-up socks. We're knitting from the toes up. It's written down for the magic loop method, but you can definitely change it to DPNs, and one which needle 1 and needle 2 can be divided to DPN's way of knitting. This is not a color work, this is a slip stitch method, so more official word for it is mosaic knitting. It's quite simple, quite easy. For a little section like this you need 2 grams of yarn, and for this section you need 5 grams. So if you want to repeat this along the way, you will know. The same thing if you want to knit it with one color, just bear in mind how much yarn you need. Approximately you need 45 grams of grey color if you knit two socks the same way, 45 grams of grey color, and the white color is 35 grams. But obviously over here at this point I give you information how many rounds to knit, but if you want to make the cuff longer, you can knit as long as you want to get to this point. There is information in the pattern about that. However, bear in mind that you may need more of this color. The heel is afterthought heel, so you can definitely put any heel you want. The one over here, there is a link to a free tutorial on this channel how to do afterthought heel when you mark the area that you want to put a heel, and then later on you cut the yarn. Bind off is quite interesting, but also information. There's different bind off over here, but if you want you can use any stretchy bind off. For a limited time only, there is a 20% coupon code available, link down below to the pattern, so check it out, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. It is just for a limited time. I hope you're going to enjoy it. I hope you're going to use a stash, a leftovers, and I can't wait to see your project. Please use hashtag trip42socks and knitting ILove for any other project. Check the calendar down below. You definitely put socks over there, and I think that's all. I hope I haven't forgot about anything. Check the pattern, and if you have any questions, please leave comments down below or send me an email. Bye! Oh, I hope that's all. Finger crossed. Thank you so much for your support.